Logan with the Eco Plumbers again. We got a couple things we're doing here today. First one's going to be this old corroded main out in Westerville. Came out here originally for a leaking, what we thought was a leaking toilet. And if you see all this water damage here, it's actually an ice maker line that goes up right here to the fridge. That thing was leaking pretty bad, so we're going to go ahead and replace this stop, this whole line to the fridge, and also this water heater that was also leaking. So we're going to go ahead and swap this out, take that out, and take out that main over there. All right, so I'm all finished up. I'll show you what I did here. Here's our new main, just like the other one in Bexley. We got a new meter spud on here. This was called a McDonald nut. Same thing I did in that one, I believe. This is the compression. Compresses on the outside of this copper pipe incoming and seals it. So we're good to go there. Our water heater. Had to make a minor adjustment to our gas line here to make it line up with your water heaters. It's very important to always remember that this thing needs to be accessible. This is what's called the temperature and pressure relief valve. If you notice some water coming out of the bottom of this pipe, it's because you actually have either too much pressure buildup or too high of a temperature, and it will go off to release some of that temperature or pressure. If you have an expansion tank, which this system does not, it's something to check. Got our hot and cold ball valves on there. Flue pipe is taking out the carbon monoxide, and then our ice maker is right here as well. And that's everything.